Good afternoon, guys. Just a quick doing the weekly analysis on gold. That is for coming week. Today is Sunday, 30th of January, and we're just planning out for week for the coming week. So we had a decent 2 trades on gold. I mean, it was a good 2 trade in gold last week. So this week we're going to continue with gold again. So what I'm actually noticing in gold right now is we had a decent close on Friday. So yeah, bears finished the week with a strong move. So right now this is what I'm expecting next move to take place. As you can see, it's rejection. So this is what we could face this week. At the moment, this is a weekly trend line, by the way. It's bouncing on the trend line. So there's one more possible try, one more push to the top. But what we know right now is this is where the price been rejected. This is weekly. Let's go to daily to see what is actually happening. Those blue lines, those are just a support and resistance level. Yeah, blue lines are support and resistance level. So right now is we need to see as actually, can you see that line there? That's a weekly trend line there. So it's testing the back of the trend line here. We like to see price breaking out of this area here. This area here is what we need to see price break out of it. But at the moment, it's pretty much it's testing this down trend line here. Let's see if we can identify anything else on it. Right. We like to sell it below 80. 1280. We like to sell it below. Yeah, 1275, 1280. So that could be an area that we should be looking to sell it from. So my trade plan for this is I'd like to see a breakout of this area, which is 1280, 1290. This one there. Yeah, 1280. Price been bouncing quite a bit on 1280. So in a smaller time frame, I might be looking for entry from where it is, and target is just pretty much going to be up to here first. I see price breaking out of 80, doing this. I'll get my pen out. I see price doing this. Come inside. Come inside. Drop below 80. Then I see price doing this. This is where I'm going to take full sell on. From there, next move we're expecting here, which is at the moment around 46, 1246. So this area is our main focus should be in this area. We can't take those 50-60 pips on a smaller time frame around this area because there will be a lot of fight around this. It's possibly going to test again that 1295. So what our plan should be, if market decide to go 1295, we should be looking to sell from there because our stop can be just above and we target up to here again. So market could do the same thing. As you can see it there, for full week it just started here at 12, from 1295 to 1280. It was pretty much this movement took place all week. So eventually the big move, sharp move will take place. At the moment it's pretty much showing to the downside. So 1240 is not out of reach. At the moment it is indicating towards 12, around 1250, 1246 area. So that is what, this is what I'm going to do this week, is sell this one on a smaller time frame, maybe on hourly or 4 hourly. I'll be looking for reversal signs. I say I will be selling it. So my trade plan is to sell it on rally. So every time, every opportunity I get until break out of this area here, until we get break out of this area to the top. If we get a break out of this area to the top, then we'll be looking to buy. And until this level, anytime market goes and tests this level, we'll be selling it. So our trade plan is to just sell and rally. So this area we're going to focus on, 1280 area. We see break out of it, we test, we'll sell it, and we'll be targeting around 450, 60, 50, 40, 46. This is the next range, guys. This could happen next week. This is the next range. Could possibly be this one next. So for a few weeks, we will probably see price ranging this area. First thing is need to see break out of this zone here. So that's my view on gold, guys. It's still, I'm fully on sell until you get above 1300. Until we get, as long as the price below 13, I will always be looking for selling opportunity. Above, I'll possibly be looking for buying opportunity. And on in a long-term setup, I'll be expecting gold to come back around here again, around 12. That is a long term. We possibly see break out of 13 before we see drop back to 12. So that is a long term plan. But I will be sticking to short for now until we see break out of 1300. So that's my view on gold, guys. So plan is to sell it on rally. Short term buying opportunity I'll look for, but mainly I'm sell. My setup is sell. All right, thanks a lot, guys.